Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to walk inside of the 99-cent store. I just want to see what they got today. So if you're interested, then come in with me and don't forget to subscribe. Look, everything is, Christmas is 50% off, even though I don't need anything. So I'm gonna bypass all the Christmas stuff today. But it's so tempting. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this, you guys. It's a New Year's Eve party pack. Now this is cool. It is $8.99 for 20 people. It comes with some hats, some confetti, some necklaces. It looks like some streamers and all kind of little blower things or whatever. But $8.99 is not bad. Then they have some shot glasses that say Happy New Year 2019. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. And these are glass. Oh, I like these cups. Look at that. How many you get? 8 cups. But look at how that looks. I like that. Too bad they don't have, oh, they do have them in gold. Let me see. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, I'm trying not to knock everything down, but I'll probably get some of these. I like those a lot. Then here's some plates, some more little bowls, some plates and napkins. So they are New Year's ready at the 99-cent store. Here's some cute little hats, some masks. Here's a door fringe, a star-shaped hanging decoration. Oh, look at this. It's a countdown clock. Oh, that's cute. Lots of confetti. Glasses and necklaces. Okay. And photo props. They have a bunch of the Project 7 S'mores Delight Gum. Or actually, these are gummy bears, milk chocolate covered. I didn't like those too much. I like trying the Project 7, but that was a flavor I didn't like. Cashier open, please. This is a gentle hair remover. Oh, these are cool. Fleece Leggings, West Loop, $1.99. This one is a large, extra large. That is the only pattern I see, but that's not bad. That's cool. Oh, these are cute LED light up photo boxes. You can put a picture right here. $3.99. This one is Family is Made with Love. And then you got these hanging signs that have the lights in it for $4.99. Those are cute. Look at that. So you have the one that say love and home. I like the home one just because I like the brown color. Oh, these are pretty candles. That one is orchid. Look at that glass. And then you have the round one. And the purple one is core lavender. And then I see Mary Berry Clementine. Oh, these are some cute gift box sets. Look at this. It says it's a party, so you get 3 boxes. I think you get 3 boxes and 3 bags for $3.99, and it says with love. This one is a really pretty turquoise color, and then you can get the red one right here. Those are cute. Light up LED decor. Oh my goodness, how cute. It has the little lights in there for the baby's room. These are $4.99. It says sitting unicorn light up LED, $4.99. Let's see, I see that one. Oh, these are adorable. Only if my daughter was small again. And then look at this one. Oh, I like those. And those are the only ones I see, but they do have a lot of them, so. Okay, they have some really nice dishes. Oh, I'm kind of scared to grab this, but look at that. Look at the separate compartments. This is so nice, and it's only $3.99. Oh, I like that one. And then I think this is the same right here, and I see something over there. Look at this one, shaped like a flower. That is so nice. This one is only $2.99. The other one was $3.99. Perfect for parties. Ooh. And then look at this bowl. It's like a flower. That's pretty for $1.99. That's really nice.
Hey, 99ers. Thank you for shopping with us today. Did you?
They still have these for $5.99. Oh, this is nice. It is a dish, a rectangular baker dish, and it says "Dish Me Up." That's cute for $3.99. There's only 2 on the shelf. Tempted to get one, but I really don't need it. Oh, look at these kitchen utensils. You get 5 for $3.99, but look at the marble print. That's really nice. Look at that. I like those. Okay, you guys, that is it for my 99-cent store walkthrough. I am going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget, like I said, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Ooh, I need to get a bag of grapes. 99 cents a pound. I need some of these.